Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus and Mary Academy. Today I have brought a video for class 8B subject mathematics, and we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. There are some questions to be solved of exercise 2.1. So let us start to solve the questions of exercise 2.1. So the first question is that express the following as negative exponents. Here 2 raised to power 4. 2 is base and 4 is exponent. 4 is in positive form, so we have to change this in negative. So in order to change the exponent in negative form, we just write reciprocal of 2. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2, and this one the power of the base becomes in negative form. When we write the base, when we write reciprocal of base. In the same way, question of B of 1, the number is written in as mixed fraction, so we convert first this into improper fraction. 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. This becomes 7 upon 5 raised to power 7. In order to convert or change the exponent in negative form, we just write the reciprocal of the base. So reciprocal of the base is 5 upon 7, and the exponent becomes negative. See the second one. Evaluate 3 raised to power minus 5 into 3 raised to power 7 upon 3 raised to power minus 2. Here we just solve 3 raised to power minus 5. As we know that the bases are same, and we bring this number up. So 3 raised to power minus 5 into 3 raised to power 7 into 3 raised to power 2. When we bring this number up, the negative form of the exponent becomes positive. So here bases are same, all this one are same. So 3, we just add all exponent together. 5 minus 5 plus 7 plus 2. So here 7 to 9, 9 minus 5, 3 raised to power 4. It means that you have to write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It means that you have to write multiple of 3 4 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So answer of 3 raised to power minus 5 into 3 raised to power 7 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 is 81. See the second one. 3 upon 5 raised to power 3 divided. As we know that suppose any number a raised to power m raised to power n, it means that m into n, a raised to power m into n. Here we will follow the same method. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is equal to bases are same and exponents are different, there is sign of division, so we write here base 3 upon 5 and we divide 6 from 3. When we divide 6 from 3, we get minus 3. We just interchange the place of denominator and numerator. When we interchange the place of denominator and numerator, the power becomes positive. We write 5 3 times 5 into 5 into 5 and 3 3 times 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 5 5 the 25, 25 into 5 125 and 27. So answer of 3 upon 5 raised to power 3 divided 3 upon 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 is 125 upon 27. Now the 3 question is to simplify. You have to simplify question number 3. Now 3 into, now you just factorize 27. It is divisible by 3, so 9 3 3 3 1. So 3 raised to power 1 2 3. 3 raised to power 3, 9 plus 1. In the same way plus 9, the 3 raised to power 1 upon 8 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into, we just factorize 27, so 3 raised to power 3n. Now we write this number 3 into 3 raised to power 3n into 3 raised to power 3 plus 9 plus 3 raised to power 3n divided 3. Here the sign of subtraction, so we put here division sign. 8 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into 3n. We take 3 raised to power 3 as common, take it common. Here 3 into 3 raised to power 3 plus 9 divided 3, and here 8 into, now take 3 raised to power 3 as common number, 8 minus 5. Now both are divisible. Here 3 raised to power 3, it means 3 into 3 into 3, and this one more 3, so 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 21, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 21, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 27 3 is 81, plus when you divide 9 by 3 you get 3 upon 3 is equal to 84 upon 3 is the correct answer. 84 is divisible by 3, so 28. 28 is the correct answer. Now see the second one of this type of question. 5 raised to power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 raised to power n plus 1 upon 13 raised to power 5n minus 2 into 5n plus 1. Now we solve this question. We write this one as 5n into 5 raised to power 2 minus 6 into 5 raised to power n into 5. In the same way 13 into 5 raised to power n minus 2 into 5 raised to power n into 5. Now take here 5 raised to power n as common, and here 5 raised to power 2, this side 5 into 6 into 5. You also take 5 raised to power n as common number, So 13 minus 2 into 5. Here 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power n, both are divisible by 5 raised to power n. So 5 raised to power 2 means you have to write 5 into 5 two times. So 5 into 5, and this side 6 into 5 upon 13 minus 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 5 into 5, 25 minus 30 upon 3 is equal to minus 5 upon 3 is the correct answer. Correct. Some more question. Question number 5. This is very important question to be solved. 5 raised to power n, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power minus n upon 2, minus 2, minus 27 raised to power n upon 3 raised to power 3m into 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Now 9 is factorized. We should factorize 9. So 3 raised to power 2n, 3 raised to power 2 into 3. We just multiply this one, minus n upon 2 into minus 2, 2 is divisible, and we factorize 27, so 3 raised to power 3n. After factorizing 27 raised to power n, we get 3 raised to power 3n. 3 raised to power 3m into, we have to write 2 3 times. We have to write multiple of 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, it means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now here we take 3 raised to power 2n, and this one minus plus into 3 raised to power n into 3 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 3n upon 3 raised to power 3m into 8. Here 3 2n plus n, 3n, take 3n as common. Here 3 raised to power 2 minus 1, and here 3 raised to power 3m into 8 is equal to 1 upon 27. Now 3 raised to power 3n upon 3 raised to power 3m is equal to 8 into 8 into 8, both are divisible by 1 upon 27. As we know that 3 raised to power 3n is equal to 1 raised to power 0 is equal to 3n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0. And the second one, 3 raised to power 3m is equal to 27. It means that 3 raised to power 3m is equal to 3 raised to power 3. 3m is equal to 3, m is equal to 1. Now the question is that we have to find the value of m minus n. According to question, m minus n is equal to 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So this much is enough for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There is some homework you have to complete, exercise 2.1. Okay, and this homework is also given on Teno apps. So you just watch video to understand how to solve the questions of the given exercise. Thank you for watching.